Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the basics fast and precise. Check game files in Steam to repair corrupted assets, because missing files are the most common cause. Once done, temporarily disable all add-ons by moving the workshop folder out of the game directory so you can test a clean launch. Make sure source SDK tools and Steam are updated, then restart Steam. This ensures cached binaries are current, which prevents version mismatches that produce errors. You now inspect the game console for precise error messages. Copy the first 3 lines that mention missing files or Lua stack traces because they point to the exact failure. Next, remove suspect add-ons one at a time and relaunch. This isolates the culprit without breaking everything. Then examine garrysmod/logs for Lua errors and missing model or material references, since unresolved assets or bad scripts often cascade into crashes. Replace or redownload offending content as needed before continuing. You finish by clearing shader and download caches to remove stale compiled assets that survive simple verifies. Delete garrysmod/cache and the Game Workshop download entries, then relaunch. If errors persist after isolating add-ons and validating files, perform a fresh reinstall. This is the last resort because it removes residual corruption. And if it still crashes, run Steam with auto-update, gather the crash dump and the 3-line console snippet. Then share those with the mod author. They need exact data to fix deeper bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.